Welcome, everyone. Today, we are going to explore the incredible capabilities of ChatGPT and learn how to integrate it into our very own Jarvis-inspired voice assistant. ChatGPT will take Jarvis's conversational abilities to the next level. So, let's dive in and unlock the power of ChatGPT in our virtual. Let's explore how we can integrate ChatGPT into Jarvis to enhance its conversational abilities. Step 1. Setting up the environment. Make sure you have Python installed in your local environment and an IDE. The one I am going to use is Visual Studio Code. We will also need an OpenAI API key which we can obtain by. To sign in or create an account, visit the OpenAI website and follow the registration process. Once signed in, navigate to the API section, usually found in the main navigation menu or under your account settings. Click on Create New Secret Key and assign it a descriptive name like ChatGPT for easy identification. This secret key will enable you to access and integrate the ChatGPT API into your projects. Installing the OpenAI library. Use the command pip install OpenAI. Now that we have installed the necessary dependencies and packages, we can import the OpenAI module in your Jarvis script. This module provides the functionality to access the ChatGPT API. To set up authentication, you need to obtain an API key from the OpenAI platform. This key acts as a unique identifier to authenticate your requests. Once you have your API key, remember to replace your _API_ key with your actual API key provided by OpenAI. The OpenAI completion.create function generates a response using the ChatGPT model. Parameters like the model, which is the version of chat, and messages, which is the content or message of the query. Now we are going to save the response from the ChatGPT into a variable which we are going to name SpeakThis, and we are going to call speakData function and pass SpeakThis as the parameter which is going to speak the response by ChatGPT. One thing to note is the response is stored inside an object which we are accessing by going inside the choices object and then getting the first index and then going inside the message and finally content which stores our response. Then calling the speakData function which will speak the response to the user. And that's how we've enhanced Jarvis with the power of ChatGPT. Now, it's not just a virtual assistant, but a dynamic conversational AI companion. With ChatGPT integration, Jarvis has become smarter, more interactive, and capable of engaging in natural conversation. In the next video we're going to see how to open apps using Jarvis. Thank you for watching my video on enhancing Jarvis with ChatGPT. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more AI-related content and comment if you have any doubt. That's all for today. Let me see you in the next one.